Hello. So today I'm going to do a multicolor pour. I just love colors and I'm just gonna try and get like a colorful pour. This was a canvas I used before, so I just sand it down a little and then work with it. I'm going to add this pillow. This is my Colourplace from Walmart. Colourarte-Peacock feather. And I'm just gonna add and then I'm going to add this is Matisse-Magenta. Then I'm going to add this Sunburst from Colourarte. And then I'm going to add this little Piggy Mermaid. Add my white CA. Add my black CA. Now I'm going to use my Yahoo blow dryer and blow it out with my mouth first, and then I'm going to use this. Didn't work as expected, but let's see, let's give it a minute or so. Give it a minute and see what we get. I'm going to give it a minute or two more. I'm going to just use this leftover paint from my previous pour, and we'll see how this goes. I'm not really positive about it so far, but I'm gonna give it a chance. And spin it. Damn it. That does not happen to me usually. Okay, I'm going to get some paint, stick under the canvas. And I think that's it. I'm just going to add some paint on the sides, and I think it turned out really good.